They made a bus pop. I don't actually think that putting garlic in my nose is gonna help with my sinuses. But we gonna give it a shot. I don't even know how long the leak is in my nose. So I'm just gonna leave them in there until something happens. Oh, no, buddy, it's not wrong, but it's fine. Irritated a little bit. If you put it down, I'm about to show you what came out of my nose. Okay. But I am breathing. This is the last time I'm gonna show y'all my Taco Bell. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, sorry. Can I have 4 spicy sauce potato tacos, a nacho bel grande with no tomatoes, no sour cream? I think a Crunchwrap Supreme with fajita, no sour cream, no tomatoes. 1 chicken quesadilla, 3 Doritos Locos tacos, and some cinnamon twists. A lot of fire sauce and a little bit of Diablo. Oh. And I need a Baja Blast. Give me a large. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day, okay? Right now, we ain't wait right now. You don't want nothing else, I'll go back.
And that's when it hit me. Best idea I ever had in my entire life. That's the worst idea you ever had in your entire life.
Well, give me stirs. If we're gonna be eating some goat brain, we gotta get the best goat brain. So here we are at the #1 reviewed Indian restaurant in Houston. Oh! Well, you know what we're getting for. It's actually a myth that this can cause night disease, so we didn't come here just to look at it. The texture is just almost like eggs. Want some? Alright. It looks like it. About 3 hours. Whoa. Apparently, Joaquin isn't spicy. They're using Valentina seasoning. Just a little bit, depending on how spicy you want it to be. Don't want to add honey, so we're just going to do Valentina seasoning and just. So when it starts to look like.
Number 2, Robert Dale Conlon. Conklin clearly had expensive taste as he requested filet mignon wrapped in bacon, deveined shrimp sauteed in garlic butter with lemon, baked potato with sour cream, chives, and dill bacon bits, corn on the cob, asparagus with hollandaise sauce, French bread with butter, goat cheese, cantaloupe, vanilla bean ice cream, and iced tea. Number 1, James Edward Smith. This convicted felon had one of the most bizarre last meal requests ever recorded. When it came down to his final meal request in 1990, all he wanted was a lump of soil. Although some have speculated that he did indeed intend to jot out on the dirt, others have suggested it wanted to perform a voodoo ritual as the soil was specified to be the great contemplate associated with witchcraft. As dirt was not on the list of foods permitted by prison regulations, Smith's request was denied, and he was served a cup of yogurt instead, which of course is the only reasonable alternative. So, what would you order if you were in their position? Which would you most? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.
Nakatanong pa itong TikTok ng kuan ma? Ba? Ma, kaya, naka